y'all. It's sorry, it is 4:49. Yes, 10 minutes before 5 p.m. Yes, that's what time it is on Saturday, and I'm just now picking y'all up. And I don't feel bad about it per se, because I already had a vlog go up today, because I kind of sort of knew what kind of day today would be for me. I slept until 11. It was 10:50. I slept until 11 a.m. and then I woke up a few minutes ago from a 2-hour nap. I'm not sorry. I've been complaining all week about, or in this case last week, about how tired I was. And I told you I catch up on my sleep that I typically tend to miss during the week on Saturday. That's just what it is. That is not fully the point. The point is I'm picking y'all up for the first time today. I did not do a vlog yesterday. I had a super busy day for a Friday. So aside from watching me tap, 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 and whatever I was doing on Friday and go to Jersey Mike's for a sub, that's literally all I did. And I was like, I don't, what do I do? And so I just did nothing. And so now here we are. I am trying to hype myself up to do some Pilates. And oh, just real quick, we got some goodies from Huda Beauty. Are we effing with Huda right now? I can't keep up with who's on the shit list and who ain't. I think we were, then we weren't, then we were again. Again, I don't really know, but what I do know is I had gotten a small size a while ago, of her Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. I think all brands should do that. Come out with the small version, because especially if you get the wrong size or the wrong shade and now you just mad. But I used the small version and I liked it. So of course, Black Friday sale, I was like, what's up? So I am in the shade Toffee 420G in the event that you and I are a shade match. And then I wanted to try her concealer. I've been hearing good things. I was a little concerned about the shade, but again, I went to TikTok to see. Wait, that might be good. Hold on. My purse is right here, so let me see how that looked. Yeah, that's fine. I think that'll do. Yeah, I think that'll do. I was thinking I could maybe go for like a half shade lighter, but I don't know. But I think this is a decent shade match. And then I got, oh, sorry, in case you're curious, that's in Crumble 7.1N. And it's crazy because I was about to go way lighter just based off the images online, and something was like, no, girl, go to TikTok and see if you can figure it out. See if you can find a black girl who's closer to your shade. And so that's what I did. And we wound up with that. Which, like I said, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I can see it a little bit. Can you? Well, I don't want to get that close because my skin looks insanely ugly. I feel so ugly right now, but let's not talk about that. It's going to be fixed soon as I can get on these drugs. I had to take a pregnancy test to get on that medication. And then, of course, it was negative. And I got to take another one in January. And then when that one comes back negative, then I'll be able to get my prescription to get my skin taken care of, because this is insane. And then I got some, what is this, lip liner, and I got the shade Universal Red. Y'all know I love a red lip, and it's Christmas time, so yeah. But that's what I got from Huda Beauty, so yay. I got some Danessa Myrick stuff coming. I was hoping that would come first, but it is what it is. It's on its way, I think. We'll see. Okay, well, I don't have no food in the house. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner. See, I can barely take care of myself. I'm really sick of having to eat multiple times a day. I might have a girl dinner. I don't know what that's gonna be. Not the point. I'm trying to hype myself up for Pilates. So this is me hyping myself up for Pilates. Oh, Jesus. To Viva, do you live close to a forest? What textbook? ¿Qué libro, libro de texto? That don't sound text. Okay. Yay. Nose.
Nariz.
Forest.
Bosque.
Prefer.
Preferir.
Kind.
Amable.
Neither. Yikes, I do not know the Spanish word for skateboard. Hold on. Surfboard? No, they say skateboard, babe. Skateboard. What's up, y'all? Just popping in, taking a quick work break to say, hey, it's 3 o'clock. I'm just now picking up the camera. The camera. Jesus, that was country. Anyway, yeah, just saying, hey, I had a couple meetings today that I wanted to look presentable for, so I did a very soft beat, and here we are. Since I am not going to get the tires put on my car today, don't even get me started on that. It's gonna happen, just not today. This week, though. The point I'm making is, since I got makeup on, I am gonna record a video after work to keep myself from taking a nap. I really want to. I just wear this to keep my wrist snug. I don't have carpal tunnel. It's a preventive thing. Point is, I'm saying, hey, just doing a check-in. Work. I'll be in the office tomorrow. So maybe the video that I'm recording today will go up tomorrow, because I'm not it's hard to vlog and work. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But all of that to say, hey, I hope all is well. Again, my check-in for today. And just be sure to stick with me throughout the rest of the week, because I'm likely, I don't know if I said this, I'm probably going to end Vlogmas on the 15th, which is a week from today. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.